Module 2, Lesson 1. Evaluating your property's suitability. Welcome to Module 2, Preparing your property, where we'll transform your space into the perfect Airbnb listing. Evaluating your property's suitability. In this lesson, we'll dive into the critical topic of evaluating your property's suitability for Airbnb hosting. It's like inspecting the set before the big show. Evaluating your property's suitability for Airbnb hosting is a crucial step to ensure that you provide a positive and memorable experience for your guests. Here's what's needed. 1. Property type. Determine the type of property you have. It could be a house, apartment, condo, cabin, or even something unique like a treehouse or a boat. Knowing your property type will help set expectations for potential guests. 2. Target audience. Define your target audience. Are you looking to host families, solo travelers, business professionals, couples, or adventure seekers? Understanding your ideal guest profile helps tailor your property's appeal. 3. Property location. The location of your property plays a significant role. It's important to highlight any unique or attractive aspects of the area, such as proximity to tourist attractions, restaurants, or natural beauty. Address the accessibility and convenience of your property. Unique selling points. Identify your property's unique selling points. This can include anything from a stunning view, a beautiful garden, a hot tub, unique interior design, or any other features that make your property stand out.